Weight loss surgery brings multiple levels of gut health. If you've had Roux-en-Y gastric bypass, sleeve gastrectomy, or duodenal switch, any of those procedures can really change the level of your gut health. So you may find that you feel great at the beginning after surgery, and then years down the road, this has just kind of evolved and now you're really struggling. Or it could be that you had surgery and early on you started having more extreme symptoms. The symptoms I'm talking about are things like your probiotic just really isn't covering you anymore. Maybe you've been on a good one and it just is not covering you. So you're having more heartburn, more gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea. All those digestive symptoms are frequent. They went from occasional to frequent. Or maybe it's you've been diagnosed with some food sensitivities or food allergies, and the respiratory issues that go along with that are really aggravated and you are needing antibiotics 3 and 4 times a year. That's where you may need some additional support. Or the inflammatory reactions that are occurring are just not improving with what you're trying. So you may need to kind of jump to a higher level of probiotic that can really help heal your gut without irritating it. So sometimes when you are in positions with your gut health, good healthy foods and good quality probiotics actually irritate you and make your symptoms worse, make you have more diarrhea, make you have more constipation, make you have heartburn just uncontrollably. So sometimes you have to still take a probiotic, but it needs a very specific one that can really help address these issues. And that's what the Ultimate Gut Restore Synbiotic is. A synbiotic is just a prebiotic and a probiotic in one. And yes, our WLS formulated probiotic does have a prebiotic in it, but it is a fiber that if you are in a person that is struggling with your gut health in more extreme ways, you may find that fiber, the chicory root fiber that's in our WLS formulated probiotic, actually irritates and causes you symptoms. So the prebiotic that we put in the Ultimate Gut Restore is very calming and actually is one of the first ones that has been certified by the Monash industry, which they are known for treating IBS and SIBO and those types of conditions with a low FODMAP diet. So it is low FODMAP friendly because it's using sun fiber, and that is partially hydrolyzed guar gum, and it comes at a high enough strength that the prebiotic is adequate to help improve and grow that good bacteria without irritating anything. It also has very specific strains to identify the issues that I talked about. So respiratory issues, so food sensitivities, allergies, the low FODMAP diet, SIBO, IBS, all that stuff that can be a very common thing after weight loss surgery. They have very specific strains for the respiratory so that you are actually not irritating that as frequently, and it's calming all those down. It's actually boosting your immunity, so specific strains to actually boost your immunity. Very specific strains to promote healthy digestion, so it's going to help improve the health of your whole GI tract. And it helps calm inflammation down. So all those in the Ultimate Gut Restore, those 7 strains that are in there, are very specific for these conditions that are perfect for weight loss surgery patients. This is why we needed this product. We needed a product that would be higher strength, but it had a focus that is more typical of a weight loss surgery patient. So this product is shelf stable, 50 billion CFUs, 7 specific strains for respiratory, GI, immune, and inflammation. It is a delayed release capsule. It is low FODMAP friendly fiber using the sun fiber, and it is actually good to use during an antibiotic therapy. So say you do have to have antibiotics, you can still take this probiotic during the course of the antibiotic. You just alternate it. If you're taking your antibiotic at breakfast and dinner, you take your probiotic at lunch or at bedtime. So you're just staggering it. So this is a great way to really help restore your gut health and get you back into a healing mode that you feel better. You've got all those symptoms under control again, and you've restored your gut bacteria after the antibiotics, and you're helping improve those food sensitivities and allergies. So if you are that person and you need that additional support, I would encourage you to try the Ultimate Gut Restore Synbiotic.